The residents at Brookdale Senior Living have a wealth of wisdom, but many also have a gap in that knowledge. Most notably,
Look at all these different things.
how do you work this telephone gizmo?
Even turn it on.
That was hard.
Right. My email was not coming in.
I don't know where things are.
It's just not easy.
Help! Tell me how to run it.
Enter our heroes, a group of computer-savvy Gen Zers who march in once a week to Control S the day. But why?
A couple years ago, some students here at Canterbury School in Fort Myers, Florida, were joking about how bad their grandparents were at anything technical. But when the laughter faded, one of them was struck with a seriously good idea.
Yeah, it's called CLEO. It stands for Computer Literacy Education Outreach.
Aaron Smolyar, along with friends Christian Lakeese and Derek Hunican, started the CLEO Club and tried to partner with Brookdale.
Yeah, initially we tried emailing, but I think maybe we got put in the
They
spam
didn't know how to
folder
use
or
email?
something. Yeah, I don't know. So it's right next door. It was before we could drive, so we just walked over after school.
And they've been volunteering ever since.
Okay, then go to Photos icon.
Jonathan Smith couldn't figure out how to text a picture.
Do I poke it?
Yeah, you just click it.
And that's all there is to it?
Yeah, click it.
Nancy Kilpatrick wanted to clear out her inbox for the first time.
122,000. Emails? Yes.
Fortunately, Nancy learned you don't have to delete them one at a time.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh,
For the kids, it's not always easy,
I'm getting it.
All right.
but they keep coming back, week after week.
I've never had that before.
Those young people are just amazing.
A great group.
They're a blessing, you know.
And they have so much patience with us.
We're on a first-name basis now.
And those friendships may be the best part, because eventually the devices go dark, but the conversation continues, proving that as a communication tool, smartphones always work best, powered off.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
Steve Hartman,
Thank you.
on the road
Come by next week.
Oh, I am.
in Fort Myers, Florida.
Alrighty.